So this is a really cool cleaning brush the company sent out to me to test out here on my grill. It's a really, really nice large grill brush. It's really nice too because it doesn't have the bristles, so that's nice and safe. You don't have those dangerous bristles falling off. You have this nice steel wool pad right here. So let's see, first off, you see it has a nice curved handle, so really nice and ergonomic. It's got the scraping head on the top there. So, really nice for scraping and getting all the gunk off your grill there. You have the serrated edge there and a straight edge. And then on this side you have this like sponge, steel wool. You are supposed to soak it in water, and then after you scrape everything off, you can use the steel wool side to clean it off. And then the water will generate some steam as well after you heat up your grill. A really nice large head, and then you can remove this and wash it really easily as well. Just pull it off right there. And then on this side it has the little loop there, so you can hang it up, and it also has a bottle opener right here as well. So really nice, heavy duty, nice and large, quickly clean your grill. So if you are in need of a really nice grill brush, definitely check this one out.